think what we're getting? What do you guys think we're gonna get? 2 minutes.
Okay, this is the fanart event.
The only reason I'm here for this live event is to play.
But it said roller release, and that's like September 5th.
I can take the dogs.
I'm closer.
Markiplier.
Closer. Is that a flashlight? Oh man, where'd you get that? I want to get that.
Live event. Everyone go to fanart.
Where'd you get it?
Bro, I'm just gonna do it for real. It's that guy. For real, it's that guy up there, bro. You guys excited to go to the ceiling? Quick pee.
I got this
You
thing.
know what? I'm gonna turn off my TV.
Hit me and you win 500 stars!
It's the guy from the TV.
But yeah, but like I don't know if.
Whoa!
Hey, Cat!
It's darker in here than normal.
What is your name?
You can watch me if you want. My tablet's in there. Like, alright, in 1 minute, guys.
Less than a minute, less than a minute. Everyone come to fanart. Everyone come to fanart.
Oh yeah, wait, never mind. It's completely packed. All the servers are packed.
Less than a minute.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Go, go, go.
That's how it's timer works, bro. Oh my god. Guys, it's in 30 seconds, bro. Tito's feet. It's in like 30 seconds. Like, 30 seconds. Like in 30 seconds. The guy from the TV, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what he's ready. Oh, 22. 21. Bro. It's in the
19.
18. 15, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Oh my god, what the hell? Bro, it's spin. Wake up! Let us in! Oh my god! Look at that chud over there, bro. Look at that chud.
Gotta get fired.
Hi,
Anyway,
Dave. Hi, Dave. What's up? Bro, Dave, guys, shut up.
We should probably move quickly.
Stop moving.
Move away, move away.
First, come with us a safety barrier. It's here to make sure no one, you know, dies.
Yeah?
We've also set up additional barriers around the area just in case no one tries to pass this one.
I don't really want to, but I want to play this game.
Yeah, we can't leave.
No.
Yeah, guys, we're kind of gonna die.
Did you realize I didn't even get?
Yeah, we're probably gonna die in this, bro. We're probably gonna, we're probably gonna get our head chopped off. Joking. I don't let it go. No, we're all gonna die here.
So for now, it's just a
Hey,
anyone want to hear a story?
talk to you, bro.
Alright, when I was a young boy, I always dreamed of working at TV.
I want to hear it. You know, I want to hear
Hello?
stories, bro.
Steve.
No, you should have been here to take the case one. Don't shut up. No. Get to the life of
That's
it.
not
Sorry, but
Cash?
bro, this is such a
So
good
guys, upper management are
I love listening to stories. He was right there. He was right there. He died. He died. There was someone there, right? I'm pinky drumming. Listening to Dave yapping, it just means that this is not a Wait, guys, no, wait. Dave from Day Shift at Freddy's. What? Dave from Day Shift at Freddy's. What? Dave, guys, coach. Dave, where's Dave, bro? Guys, be a stuck, huh? What was that? What the hell is that?
Whoa.
We're gonna like break through a wall. Guys, we're gonna come out and it's gonna break, guys.
What the hell? What the hell?
Oh my god, bro. Go towards it! Oh my god!
I'm sorry, young fella. You cannot come anymore.
Defend yourself! You're on your stuff, bro!
I've backed.
Screen shaking. Oh my god,
I'm a call done.
Oh, this is some nice music. I would jam to this. Let me in. Guys, let me someone in. Can you come back and scare us? If you and I are gonna get okay, that's
Whoa.
something.
What the hell is that? I think it's a chair. Never mind, it's not a chair. It's giant teeth. It's teeth.
Guys, I think we should get. Oh god, I don't think we should be looking at. Oh yes, that's a creature. No.
No! Oh. What the hell is that? That is I. Stare at me, please. What the hell? Oh! Oh my god, this shit. Oh my god, this is up. Whoa. He's destroying me. Wait, let me summon Alex. Come on, Alex. But I want to see his entire avatar. I want to see this entire thing.
Hello, can you hear me? Okay, it's Dave. I don't know what the heck that thing is. That's not what I expected.
I summoned Alex. Come on.
We've set up some audio to play that's playing to be far away, which is blurred down. So please try to not die. I'm trying to get back as soon as possible. Okay, I hope you'll be gone by the time.
I'm the only thing that can defend us. Oh no. I hate this. I'm getting dizzy. Just stare at him. Yeah, let's go. But this is actually beat. I'm actually. Oh my god, this feels. Oh my god. No, not again! Not again! Not again!
He's dead! He's dead! I'm not!
Oh, I want to see him getting killed. Wait, help them! This bloody thing. I want to help them.
He's dead! He's dead! Not dead! He's dead! He's got caught!
Whoa.
David's dead, guys. I cannot believe it. We lost him! It's gonna come out right now!
Oh no, it's not
Dave got impaled.
It's not
No.
This is gonna take like 1 hour and just like waste all of our time. I said, this is
Please remain calm. Will be sent to the scene later. Please.
I'm going to jump!
I'm jumping as well.
We never knew.
Oh my god.
This is a whole cave system, guys.
I'm just following you guys. Oh, I fell.
Oh, pal, we're not doing this. Guys, I fell.
No, I don't like dark.
Dude,
I don't like
up. That's so hard.
David's dead.
Guys, you know what I like?
So is this
Yo, I like the part where you were spinning. That was the best part.
Hello,
Bro, I literally passed still from
I loved
that.
it when you was like spinning in circles. That was super cool.
Bro, I can't.
That
I don't know how they actually created that.
though. It was really trippy as well.
It's cool that he
My
actually
brain,
let us
but it was
explode.
also
It's
like
cool
super
that
cool
guys
to
are
like never
actually
actually
so
think it would actually
Crying
be.
when Dave died, bro. I actually started crying.
Corny. No, wait, why are you crying over an animation?
Oh, like
It was really funny when that man got impaled. Look at
That
that.
was like the 50th level of craziness.
Bro, going so terrified for what's gonna happen. Bro, the monster's gonna go like in front of us or something. Imagine getting impaled. Cannot be happening.
Yo, there's a free shirt that you can now get. It says,
What is it? What is it?
No, I fell.
Come, it's in the shop now. It's in the shop.
Wait, you can buy it? You can buy it right now? Bro, I'm gonna go get that.
You can't get it because of the event. Like, you can't buy it. For me, I like cannot buy anything. Like it's glitched.
You can buy
Right here, right here. The new event, the new cosmetics. This is free. This is all free. This is right here. It's free. This is the bat he used. This is the bat he used. This is him dead.
I'm holding it.
Go.
The thing's kind of glitched.
So I think this is like the monster's body. Wait, I think this is the monster's body. Oh.
I bought it. The monster. I feel like I can have. I need to.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
I'm gonna see.
I don't see it.
I can't buy anything. Bro, what is this? Hey guys,
I think you have to restart your game.
I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. Is that the rest of the live? Yay!
The live event was sick, bro.
It's not letting me. Why are you back,
Wait,
God?
Okay, I think you just have
But-
to restart your game.
Why are you
What?
angry face?
Justice for Dave! It's the live event over!
No justice for Dave. That guy's dead.
Guys, it's the live event over!
Justice for Dave!
Yeah, sure.
Yo!
Oh.
Yo, he got featured in a cosmetic. Emerald got featured in a cosmetic. Emerald got featured in a cosmetic. Yo,
Emerald,
lucky him, bro.
the bat. I can't buy anything.
Emerald got lucky and was in the cosmetic. Emerald was able to get in
Bro,
the
I'm gonna save that for the. Bro, that was
Yo,
peak.
Emerald got allowed to be in a cosmetic. Look, that's Emerald.
Bro, I'm
She was allowed to be in the cosmetic now.
I can't say that freaking
Got his first ever
I'm
cosmetic.
inside the mirror. I'm inside the mirror.